On this episode of A Day in the Mic, I reinforce dancing stereotypes. We observe spectacular sea life. We make sure this lady doesn't drown. And I try to get closer to God. My name's Mike Gross, and this is A Day in the Mic.
Hello. It's about 5:55 a.m. and it's time to party. No one is awake right now at the Embassy Suites except for myself, Scott, and Heather.
Oh, and that guy cleaning floors over there, if you can see him.
This is gonna be fun.
What's up, dude? Oh, you look awake. What's up, Scott? You get your fins? Woo!
Hey.
We ready. Let's go. What is up, my dudes? We are about to go snorkeling. We're in Key Largo right now, and not only are we snorkeling, we're gonna go snorkeling with Jesus. That's right, at the Christ of the Abyss statue. It's gonna be sick. Check out my crew. This is Scott. He doesn't like a whole lot of attention. This is Heather.
She does like a lot of attention.
Give it to her.
Ew.
Also, huge thank you to the New Dawn Clothing Company for making this video possible. New Dawn Clothing Company is awesome. One of my immediate goals is to get better at freediving, because as you can see, I'm terrible at it. So I thought a couple things were really cool here. For one, all these fish are up on the rock. Why is that? If you know about fish and why they sit up on rocks, please tell me, comment down below. Also, I think it's super cool how much respect this barracuda gets. These guys do not want to get eaten. So I kept hearing groaning and calls for help. And once I, stopped choking on water, I tried to swim over and help her.
I'm coming. I will give you my life jacket. Hang tight.
Fortunately for me, there was a couple other guys who were much better swimmers who got there in much better shape.
What's up? You all right?
I'm out of breath.
You're still reach.
I can't.
You feel that?
And eventually the professional showed up to really take matters into his
All
own
right, man. I'm
hands.
here to help. I can be of assistance, sir.
Immediately after the quote-unquote rescue, I'm fiddling with my snorkel trying to get it reattached to the goggles, and I see the biggest barracuda I've ever seen. So I'm sitting here trying to film it, and then someone says something about a spotted eagle ray. Of course I go chasing after this thing, but I can't get a really good shot of it. Luckily for me, Scott was there to capture the action. Before leaving, you know I was gonna have to swim down and try and touch that statue's hand. Unfortunately, as you already know, I'm terrible at free diving, and it was everything I could do to get all the way down there and back up while feeling like my lungs were absolutely going to explode. Check out this legend. Someone dropped their snorkel on the bottom, and this guy swam down to get it. It doesn't look that far going down, but look at him coming up. It was so far down. I don't know how this guy does it, but he's gonna have to give me lessons.
Half the ocean's in my nose right now.
Well, snorkeling was super awesome, of course. But now I've got to head back to Los Angeles. So I got to catch a flight in a couple hours, but we're going to load up first on some food. And I just thought this place looked pretty cool. Hobos, should be good. New Dawn, you know it's good. Let's go. Thank you. I'm going home.
Hey.
Whoa.